A little monkey sport. So we know the movie Frozen. So what is this here? I think it's just a book with some pictures and stickers. I'm looking for more like educational books. Like look at this book. See how easy it is and all the pictures and it's all in English. It's perfect idea. Okay. Well, let's see if they have any. Oh, here we go. Here's another educational one. I like that. It's the zoo. So you open it up. Who is this? Panda. And we say, a black and white panda is eating some bamboo. Can you pet the panda soft fur? Just this one. So the kids know what fur is. It's this. Alright. Feel the elephant's wrinkled skin. So the kids will feel the skin. It's like a shoe. Oh, nice. Touch the bird's bright feathers. Touch it. So the kids will touch it. Such a great idea. I love it. Oh, nice. Frog. A green frog tries to catch a fast fly. Touch the frog's sticky tongue. That's so cool. The kids. Roar. Roar's fine lion. Can you pet the lion? Here we go. Really cool. I like really this one. I'm just probably gonna get this right now. Okay. And so I'm gonna get the brand new from here. That's it. Those are good books for the education.